In this video, I'm going to show you how to install mud flaps on this Ford Ranger. Let's get started. So if yours already has mud flaps, you're going to want to take them off. This one does not have anything installed right now, although it does look like it previously had something. So regardless, we're going to take the mud flap for the corresponding side. So as you can see, they are labeled. This one's labeled left front, which fits perfectly on the driver's side front. And it should already come with mounting hardware, so that you have everything you need to install it. So all you need to do is line it up, and you can either use the pre-drilled holes for the fender liner and all that, or you can make your own. It looks like for me, this one actually lines up with whatever was drilled here previously, which works out for me. So what I'm going to do is, because the push clips provided actually fit very nicely in this hole that this lines up with, and push clip will look nicer than a screw on the outside, I'm going to take this push clip and push it all the way in. This will lock it in over here, and then we'll have to use a mounting screw for this one right here. And what I'm going to do now is take something to make a mark on the fender liner. Okay, I scratched it up a little bit. We're going to pull this push clip back out. There we go, just leave that like that. And now I can drill a hole where I marked it, so I can use the retainers provided. Okay, now we can put a screw through there. Okay, now let's resecure this with the push clip. And now we can thread in this screw to secure it on this side. This, by the way, is a 7mm headed screw that is provided with the mud flaps. All right, that's secured. And on the back of the mud flap right here, there should be a push clip. There isn't for me. There most likely was one on the original mud flap, so I'm going to put one in, and that's how you secure it back here. And there you have it. Mud flap is secured properly. If you wanted to put more fasteners on it, you could, but there aren't even holes provided. This most likely is just to allow water and air to go in to be able to drain it. So this is not a mounting hole, by the way. If you wanted to put more, go ahead. But at this point, you would repeat the same process on the front passenger side. I showed you the driver's side here, but the same applies there, as well as the rear.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.